Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. So, it's winter, and what's the best thing to do in the winter is to start on your upgrades. So, I've already got a bunch of parts in the mail, and I'm going to go over what I'm going to be doing to the Road King. And I'm really excited about this, and like I've mentioned in many of my videos, I don't have a garage, so I gotta wait for a nice day to be able to install these. Haven't had any recently, so I'm just gonna go over what I'm doing to the Road King, and yeah, so let's roll that brand new intro. Let me know what you guys think of it, and let's get into this video. Before we get into the new parts and the install list, I want to thank our sponsor, Audible. In a lot of places, it's snowing, it's constantly raining, and it's a little bit harder to get out on two wheels. So, what's the next best thing? Listening to some audiobooks about two-wheel adventures. One of the books that I really like is The Unknown Mongol. It's about Scott Jr. Erickson and his crazy life on how he became up to the national president of the Mongols. And then there's part 2, which leaves off right where the first book ends. Absolutely fantastic story. Also, there's Hell's Angel, the Sonny Barger book. Absolutely fantastic. Talks about how he became a Hell's Angel, how he grew the club and everything. Then there's Sonny Barger's book, Let's Ride. Another really good bike, a really good book. And it's mostly about riding in general. And then Exile on Front Street is about George Christie, one of the head Hells Angels. Their publicity guy, their peacemaker, and he's also ran a leg of the Olympics carrying the torch. And there's so many other books out there. If you're interested in audiobooks, I'll have a link down in the description. You get 1 month free of Audible and 3 books. So you can get any one of these books. I'll have a list of books, and I'll leave some pictures to see the covers. Lots of good books out there about motorcycles, adventures, the motorcycle club life, everything. All right, now let's get into these parts. All right, first let's go over the basic parts, maintenance parts that I need to do this winter. So first, I got front hub bearings. I absolutely need it for my Road King. The bearings are shot, so as I'm riding down the road, I can hear them, so it's definitely time to swap them out. Probably should have swapped them out sooner, but now I'm hearing it, and it's noticeable to me. Next are brakes. You got all the brakes. I ended up going with the EBC brakes, Double H Sinistered. So these things are pretty nice. I'm looking forward to installing these. And now let's get into the more fun parts. Alright, the first part we're going to go into is Cruise Mate. So, got this right here. So it's just this little lever. It goes on the grips near the throttle. And all you do is just flip it, and it's going to hold your throttle in place. So pretty much like cruise control. And when you order one of these and you plan on installing yourself, you're going to need a drill and a tap as well. So I ordered this. Next, I got a little skull, powder coated black. So what this does, it's gonna hold my Guardian bell, and I think it'll look pretty cool. And if it doesn't, just take it off. I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. Next thing is Built-Well bushings for my bars. So that's the package right there. And got some nice little bushings. So there's going to be less flex in my bars. And these came with a Built-Well sticker. Nothing like ordering some parts and having stickers. I love stickers. Next is I ordered some Built-Well bars. 14-inch rise T-bars. They are throttle by wire, like what I need for my Road King. I also had to order a bar cover. So on this part of the Road King down here, it's chrome, and I can't do T-bars with it, so I had to order a separate, the bar cover separate, and I'm still waiting for that to arrive. But I'm really stoked on these, and I've tested out T-bars on some of my buddies' bikes, and the control is unbelievable. So I'm looking forward to having these on my bike as well. And of course, came with a sticker as well. And there was also a flyer that came in it, Parts and Labor Custom Motorcycle Expo, the Del Mar Fairgrounds in California. That looks like a good time. It's going down January 8th, 2022. Sadly, I won't be able to make it, but I thought I'd put it out there if you guys are interested. And also have front fender mounting blocks from Clockworks. So if I got fender blocks, that must mean I ordered a fender. So the fender does not come painted, so I gotta get painted. And I thought it would be fun to paint it myself. But first, I like the fender. It's small, sleek, and I think it's going to look really good on the Road King because I don't like big, bulky stuff. And the fender on the Road King just happens to be big and bulky. So the plan is I'm going to paint it myself. The primer's already come in. Got my sandpaper. And I thought this thing would be handy, so I'm going to spray it myself. You can also order Vivid Black spray paint off of Amazon as well. So I got some Vivid Black spray paint coming in, and it's color matched. And then I have clear coat coming in as well. So it's gonna be a fun job. I'm really excited. Like, I haven't painted a whole lot, so this is definitely gonna be a challenge for me. But I got my hands full. Like, I love new parts. I'm so excited. I plan on doing videos on all these installs, and I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. I apologize. I've been kind of taking a mental health break, just trying to balance life. YouTube, kids, holidays, and everything has been a real big challenge for me, but I'm hoping to bounce back and keep pumping out videos. Surprisingly, I managed to do a whole year without missing a beat, and then like the last 2 months, I think I got 4 videos in 2 months. But hey, I'm back. I'll be posting a lot more videos, and thank you everyone for subscribing, watching these videos. I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and until next time, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.